It's just Mother Nature and ain't nobody.
All right, 28. Here we do it again. Rocket 768, straight out of Washington State. And I'll put it on you later. I got 529. See, it sounded mighty good, everybody. It's 529. Rocket, right back.
105 in the hog yard. Pulling out.
Hey, Duck Hunter, quick question, man. Are you going to make it to New Orleans? Hey, Duck Hunter, are you going to make it to New Orleans? That shit up, right?
This little...
Hey, 27. Hey, 27. Hey, ask Duck Hunter that box gonna hang with this Ghost Rider. Hey, 27. Ratchet, 445. Ask Duck Hunter that homemade box gonna run with this Ghost Rider.
Hey, 445, you say that, you still got a copy? I mean, you're running that big old, CX-10,000 box there?
I got a copy.
Hey, 445, I really enjoyed that tour of your, radio station number 2. That's a nice little setup there. I need me a number 2 station. It's pretty cool there, 445 Radio Man. Rocket, right back.
Hey, Rocket, right back. Hey, yeah, that's my number 2 station. I appreciate it. Yeah, you need to get one too. Hey, Rocket, you need a number 2 station, 445. I got a number 3 station too, Dibbo.
Yeah, 445 Radio Man. I gotta get me one, but I need 3 CX-10,000s there. 10-fold?
Yeah, 10-fold. Alright, there, Rocket, I'm gonna get wired to the side. I was trying to pick on Duck Hunter. I wanted to see what 27 had to say out there, Dibbo.
599's waiting.
Alrighty there, 445 Radio Man. You have yourself a great weekend. Time to do it again. Rocket 768, straight out of Washington State, and I got all the way down.
Alright there, Rocket, take care out there, man. Always sounding good, and I got the gate rolling. Hey, Rocket 445, I'm standing by.
Good afternoon, good evening time. Unit 58, 58.
Alrighty there, 445 Radio Man. It's getting mighty rough and tough out there, so I'm going to do it until we do it again. 73's to you, 445 Rocket, and I'm clear and gone.
Yeah, I didn't key up there, Rocket. I didn't key up. I was out there 58, 858, 445 Radio Man waving at you.
I don't know who you were talking to, but I heard you that Radio Man, enjoy your weekend, man. What's up,
See, 465.
Hey, 27, I was talking to Rocket up there. Hey, 27 Ratchet, 445, said I was talking to Rocket up there in the Evergreen. Hey, 27 Ratchet, 445, Mississippi, we standing by.
Hey, Radio Man, 445, you said you talking to Rocket on the phone out of the way. Radio Man, Mobile Dog.
Alright there, 27 Mobile. I didn't know you was in the Mobile. Alright, good deal, mighty fine. Hey, 27 in the Mobile, 445, I'm standing by.
ARB, we got a copy on the 27.
Hey, 203. Hey, 203. Man, you took out my receive. Sounded mighty good up here around my neck of the woods. 203, Rocket 768. I'm waving at you.
Hey, Rocket, you sure it ain't 302? Hey, Rocket, you didn't get it backwards. Is it 302?
No, he said 203 there, 445. Man, when you squeeze that trigger, you're all by yourself, 445. I need a station like yours.
800, where you go?
Alright there, Rocket, I'm back on the side. I'm gonna go get me a cup of coffee. Hey, enjoy your DX, and welcome to the weekend, Rocket 445. I'm gone.
Right back at you, 445. I think I'm going to get myself a cup of coffee. I need to get back to work, though, but came in here and I was playing around with the radio, and I just couldn't help myself. But hey, good hearing you out there, 445 Radio Man, until we do it again. Rocket up here in the corner, your friend, and I'll put it on you later. 445 Radio Man, Rockets waving. Bye-bye, bye-bye-bye.
Bye-bye-bye. Click.
Yeah, we got a little old Texas Star over here. KW, okay? IMAX 2000, about 40 foot up in the air.
Hello, 203. Up here in the northwest corner. Rocket 768. Trying to get it right back to you. How about it, 203?
Hello, Nail Driver, man. I heard you in there real quick, but I want to say hello.
I guess I lost you there, 203. Another day, another way.
Of all those big hammers out there melting together, they're wanting one on top. 444 Big Al, Central Cal, that's what I'm hearing.
Oh, there you are, Duck Hunter. You come rolling right back in my receive. Sounding mighty good, Duck Hunter. Rocket, giving it right back.
Screaming audio. 727. That 727. Unit 5858. SoCal waving. Hey, 122. There's somebody talking about cutting somebody's lips off. Hey, 122. Somebody's talking about cutting somebody's lips off.
You have yourself a great weekend until we do it again. Rockets waving. Bye-bye, bye-bye-bye.
Left coast of Canada, slide down. 841. Oh, 841. Hey, 841, 6 and a quarter, say welcome to the weekend. 841, around Birmingham, 6 and a quarter in California on this bus stop, say welcome to the weekend on Bay Island. Cardboard box, it's about to get wet. Hopefully, you guys will hear me. On the side, 800 Oregon. You're right on that 41, waving right back, welcome to the weekend, 73rd to the family, 41, 6 and a quarter, Bay out. Yeah, 841, take care, hey, like I said before, welcome to the family. Hey, y'all have a good weekend on that end. 841, Mount Birmingham, 6 and a quarter in California. The ICO, Central California on my bus stop on Bay Island. I got the 3 on that 833 or something like that around Tennessee. Was the 833 around Tennessee that Make some lunch.
Hey, Duck Hunter, you must have that beam pointed straight at my station. You're all by yourself there, Duck Hunter. Rocket. 768, just letting you know, Duck Hunter, you're smoking up here in the corner.
Enjoyed all time on that end. 6 and a quarter, the little man walking his strong boy on the west side is back out. Oh, yeah. Take care, man. I'm gonna get back on my side on this end. Hey, Bobcat, 6 and a quarter on my bus stop in California. I'll see you, bye-bye-bye. Welcome to the weekend, 7-10-6-7, and I'm gonna get back on the cool down. Hey, 2105, 6 and a quarter wave to make out.
Well, good to hear you saying that, man. Not very often out here, 800. Sitting in the front of the box, man. But the tide is coming in, gives me a better ground plane, man. Good to hear you. Good weekend to you, 800. Standing by, Oregon Coast.
It got rough that time, man. You rascals, man, y'all got my needle. Mother Nature and everything else like you need a pinned all the way on the other side of red on this thing. So it's trying to mix it hard with me to understand everybody what's doing at me on that end. But hey, all you rascals around the east side, the middle, Midwest, hey, y'all have a super fun weekend. I'm gonna get out of here and copy the mail. So on the west side on my bus stop is back out.
Ooh, don't key up. You're too loud. Don't have that kicker on either. Don't turn the kicker on.
I'm at 6 and a quarter, 445 Mississippi. 6 and a quarter, blowing smoke, 445 Mississippi.
445, all right back. You cleared my radio up, so I had to holler at you. That's a no-go show. Hey, 445, welcome to the weekend. Family, hey, get ready to start. Hey, get ready. Hey, like I say, 73rd, 6 and a quarter about Mississippi, I'm out.
Alright, 36 and a quarter. Sounding real good, man. You got a hammer out there. 445, keep up the good work. 445, Mississippi. On my small hill, waving a hand.
Sure, on that 445, well, I'll tell you what, your small hill sound like a mountain, man. Hey, 445, your small hill sound like a mountain. I'm up in the Sierra Nevada mountains in Central California, man. All overlook Nevada and California on this end, but you stroking up here on this end. 445, sitting here on this bus stop in the high Sierra, Central Cal is back out.
Alright, there's 6 and a quarter up in them high Sierras. I got a video game rolling on you. Check out 445 video games, man. I'm gonna make you a star of the Sierra Nevada. 445 said that. Bye.
Appreciate it on that fucking here. 445, I was listening to you the other day, man, on the video game, but hey, I called for you, but you wasn't around the radio the day before yesterday, I think it was. Hey, 445, you take care, I got your video game on that end, and I will check it out. Hey, 445, 6 and a quarter, my raw rib chicken on the west side. Hey, I can't sing worth the dang, man. That's why they never hired me. Hey, 445, 6 and a quarter, my chicken on this bus stop is back out.
Alright, there's 6 and a quarter. Hey, welcome to the weekend. Enjoy your DX, what's left of it. 445 Radio Man on my small hill, Mississippi. Under this magnolia tree in the shade. We got down.
I'm on my regular John Boy. I'm on my little driving John Boy. But I got my dog up Tennessee Walker sitting over here on the other bench. I don't keep that fucker down there often. That's a double show. But right now, I call it my ramen chicken. I call it my chicken. He sent me a doggone tab when I told myself, label this dog fucker John Boy ramen chicken. That'd be my driver. Hey, but my doggone Tennessee Walker sitting on the other bench.
Alright, there's 6 and a quarter. Well, I know you're a technician. Hey, 6 and a quarter. I met old John Boy, your technician. It's a CB break. Hey, 6 and a quarter. Have a good day. 445. That's a good box. Bye.
Fishing out here for video games and long distance contact.
All y'all mixed up in there at the same time on that end. No, I'll be on my little bitty driver, man. I'll be on my little bitty driver on that fucking there. Well, I do have my Tennessee Walker. I got me one of them stallions on the front of that fucker. And I am fired it up in a couple of weeks or more. 6 and a quarter walking this chicken on the west side is like out.
Hey, 6 and a quarter. 445, sir. Who's riding with me? Hey, 6 and a quarter. 445, sir. Who's riding with me? 445, being nosy. I want to know who's riding with me. 6 and a quarter.
Hey, that's what it be like on this in, that's what I want to show. Hey, Duck Hunter, you doing your job in fine style out here on the west side. Duck Hunter, you're home at 6 in the quarter walking this chicken said I go and I'm back out.
Frequency.
Hey, 6 1/4, can you do it twice? Hey, 6 1/4, can Duck Hunter do it twice? 445, 445. Hey, 6 1/4, 445, can Duck Hunter do it again?
Get right, Duck Hunter, I hope to see you around Easter weekend on that. I'll see you.
800 cardboard box. Waiting for the time.
I heard you out there, 800. Hey, 6 1/4, tell Duck Hunter, good job, good job. Hey, 6 1/4, and the Sierra at 445 said, tell Duck Hunter, 445 said, good job.
Hey, 445, you got your gate rolling? Hey, 445, wagon burner, ask if you got that gate.
Alright there, Wagon Burner, I heard you up in there. Hey, Wagon Burner, I bumped this thing down, let you know I heard your station. Hey, Wagon Burner, 445, Mississippi, we heard you out there.
Tell Roger right on 445, sounded good on the west side, no doubt about it. Hey, 445, Wagon Burner, just wondering if I can make that gate. Wagon Burner, way out west, breaker.
Yeah, Wagon Burner, I still got the gate rolling, you made it. Hey, Wagon Burner, 445 video gates. Hey, I'm gonna make you a star today, bye-bye.
10 Roger radio, man. 445, no doubt about it. Down, got down.
Adios. Dude, 16. You must be long distance.
I'm in the box. I got the big antenna up.
It sounds good in there. Parking lot, yeah, get out of the parking lot. Go park by the water somewhere. Woo! You can wait for the tide to come in like 800 is out here.